Factorization type 5. In this, they have given you 4 terms, and in this, we will use all the previous 3 formulas, that is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. Alright, sometimes they will give us right hand side, we have to convert it into left hand side to use our formula. So let's begin. Question is a square plus 6ab plus 9b square minus 16c square. Solution. As you can see, a square plus 6ab plus 9b square. I can easily apply formula on it. Like what? A square. Always forget the center one. Move to last one. 9b, 3b whole square. Alright. Plus 2 of formula. 2ab. 2 of formula. What is A? A. What is B? 3b. This become a square plus 6ab plus 3b square, right? Which minus 16c square will remain same. Alright, just look at what I am doing. I am just making its formula. And now this what it becomes a plus b. What is this? A plus b. Now they have given us right hand side. We have to convert it into left hand side. That is a plus b whole square. What is a here? A. What is b here? 3b. 3b whole square minus 16c square. 16 is the square of 4. You can say that 4c whole square. Now it becomes a square minus b square. You say just absorb the formula. This becomes a square. This and this becomes b square according to this formula. So apply formula on it. It will open it according to right hand side. What is a? If this is first term, a plus 3b minus b. What is b here? 4c. Alright. Next, a plus 3b plus 4c. What I am doing, I am just opening according to this formula. A plus b, a minus b into a plus b. What is a here? First term, a plus 3b minus 4c. Now again, a plus 3b plus 4c answer. Factorization type 5. They have given us a question a square plus 2ab plus b square plus c square. As you know, question is a square minus b square minus 4b minus 4. Just look at the question. In these questions, factorization type 5, we have to apply these basic formulas. A square minus 2ab plus b square. But they have given us a square minus b square, not plus b square. Similarly, they didn't give us 4ab to apply this formula. So we have to make condition according to our formula so that we can easily apply formula on it. So what do? I will just arrange it. A square minus b square minus 4b minus 4. I just take minus as a common. B square minus minus plus 4b plus 4. Just look at what I have done. A square will remain same. B minus b square minus 4b minus 4. So I take minus common here. So it becomes positive. B square minus minus plus 4. You can say, ma'am, why don't you take from first 3 terms a square minus b square minus 4b? But this is not possible. Because if they have given us 4ab, then this formula will easily applicable. But they have given us just 4b. So I just take minus common here. It becomes b square plus 4b plus 4. Now try to apply formula on it. A square will remain same minus b square plus 4 2 square. Now center one, what is it, is plus. Alright. So 2 of formula, as you know, 2ab, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just applying the formula. What is a here? B square. What is b here? 4. 2 square. 2 of formula. What is a? B. What is b? 4. And what I am saying, I am just putting the values in this formula. What is a here? B square. What is b square here? 4. 2 square. And 2 of formula, 2b, 2. Just check. 2 2s are 4, 4b. Yes, it's 2. 2 square, 4, b square, b square. Alright. Now this become a formula. I can easily say that b plus 2 whole square. You got it? This become, I'll just write left hand side right now. B square plus 2 2s are 4b plus 2 square. I can easily say that b plus 2 whole square. Alright, now it become a square minus b square. I can easily apply last formula. A square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. Alright, now they have given us big term b plus 2. Formula is a minus b, a plus b. What is a here? This one. What is b here? B term, b plus 2. Similarly, a plus b plus 2. You got it? What I am doing? I am just putting the formula in it. A minus b, a plus b. A. What is b here? This whole term is a b. B plus 2. Okay? And a plus b plus 2. One time subtract, one time add. Now open it. What will become? A minus b minus plus minus 2. A plus b plus 2. A minus b minus 2. A plus b plus 2. Answer.